Today's topic is some important sounds from square and square root. See, we have to express the following as the sum of two consecutive integers. Then the number given to us is 11 square. So, what we have to do is consecutive means one after another, a number and the number after that. Now, 11 square. So, the formula is n square plus 1 by 2. Over here, n is this 11 that we have. So we have to find out 11 square and add 1 to it and then divide the number by 2 to find out the first number of the consecutive number. So it becomes 121 plus 1 by 2. So we get 122 by 2. So if we divide 122 by 2, we will be getting 2 into 6, 12. And 2 ones are 2. 61. So the first number is 61 and the next number will be 62. So 61 and 62 are the two consecutive numbers whose sum will be 11 square. Now moving on, number 2. Write 5 numbers which you can decide by looking at their ones digit that they are not square numbers. So we have to find out numbers, any 5 numbers, without actually calculating. You have to say that they are not a square of any number. So we will take any digit such as 7 because we know that 7 is a prime number, and there is also a rule to it. That is, we are going to write the rule as well. Otherwise, we can write numbers such as 7, 11, 13. Some basic rule is just you can write down, you can list any simple prime numbers that you know. 19. So we have got 5 numbers. But other than that also, there is another way to it to find out these numbers. There is a rule. We are going to write the rule as well. The rule states that a number, I'm going to write it here, a number ending, that is a number which has 2, 3, 7 or 8 in its units place. That is a number that ends with these digits cannot be square. So if you can write any number, for an example, if it was given in the question that you have to find out any 3-digit number which is not a perfect square, in that case you can write any number that ends with these digits. That is, you can write 1, 4, 3 or 4, 7, 7, 3, 2, 8. These numbers will not be square. Moving on, number 3. Find the smallest number by which 1008 should be multiplied to make it a perfect square, which means 1008 is not a perfect square. So first step is find out all the factors of 1008. So this is a prime, this is not a prime number, this is an even number, you can see. So in that case you have to divide this number. So 1000 becomes 504, again divided by 2, it would become 257. We've got this number. Again we have to check whether 257 can be divided by which numbers. So you can see, check, it's not divisible by 2 because it has got 7 in its units place. We're going to check for 3. Check the sum of the digits. It's 5 plus 2, 7 plus 7. It is 14. So it will not get divisible by 3 as well. Check for 4. The last 2 digits, they are not in 4's table. Same way, you can see the last digit is also not 5 or 0, which means that it's not possible to divide the number with 5 or 10. We will check for other numbers such as 6 and check whether it will be divisible by 6 or not, which is not possible because it is not divisible by 2 or 3, so it will not get divisible by this number as well. So we will